Today, we find ourselves at a nature preserve. Let's go for a walk and see what we find. But first, let's look at the sign out front. So here's the sign out near the road. Newberg Holiday Nature Preserve, Wayne County Parks. As we pan the camera to the left and walk forward, beyond these gates and this plaque up here is the nature preserve. We'll look at the preserve plaque first. William P. Holiday Park, donated by Arthur J. Richardson, 1963. Somebody likes Arizona iced tea. We'll see how far back we can go and what we can come across. Okay, so as we get further into the nature preserve, the path gets narrower. And let me tell you, the mosquitoes are something out of heckins here. Good thing I brought my Deep Woods Off with me. So wow, look at this. We have some beautiful flowers here. Nice start to the walk of the nature preserve. We have an airplane flying overhead. You might hear that noise. It's about 6:30 in the evening on the 4th of July. It's starting to cool off. It was really humid earlier today. It rained about an hour ago. The grass is a little damp, but not so damp I can't take a walk. Now look at what we have up here. A cement slab. I wonder what this was used for. There's nothing on it now. It's just bare. If anybody has any idea what this cement slab was used for, put it in the comments. I'm thinking possibly a pavilion. There's where a pole possibly could have been. Got another pole area here, if that's what they were. And over here, we're going to continue on with our walk. Now, from my understanding, this goes back quite a ways. So you may see me speed up the film here and there, speed up some of the clips so that this isn't a half an hour walk, but we'll see how that goes. We have a little bridge over a tiny little river here. Tiny bridge for a tiny river. Interesting. I was hoping to see some frogs in here. Oh, I just heard one jump over to the left by that log. The river goes that way, if you can call it a river, maybe a creek. So it looks like we have a little walkway in front of us. I would imagine this section right here gets flooded easily when it rains hard. So they put this walkway in, which is nice, so that when it does get flooded, you can still do a nature walk through here. We have another walkway. Now, I don't know how far back this goes, but I'm pretty sure it goes back quite a ways. I'm thinking half a mile maybe. That's just a wild guess. Let's see what we come across. I'm hoping to come across some deer, but I don't know if there's any back here. I know they live in the area. I'm sure there is some back here. It's just whether we spot them or not. I can definitely hear some birds off in the background every now and then. It'd be fun to ride a bicycle back here someday. So through the brush to the left, I noticed something like some steel beams, and getting up closer, it looks like a bridge. From here you're like, how can it be a bridge? There's no floor. You're absolutely right. There's no floor. How can that be? Where did it go? We have a river down below. I would like to cross this bridge, hang on to those side rails and walk along the steel beams. But having my camera in my hand, I don't want to take a chance of losing my equipment or myself falling into that muddy river down there. So we'll turn the camera around and keep going the way we were headed. Boy, when I said the mosquitoes were bad, I wasn't lying. They're even trying to bite me through my shirt. The next thing I'm going to be doing is spraying some Deep Woods off on the back of my shirt if I have to. But thank God I have it with me. Looks like we got another little platform or something over here. Let me show you what's in front of us. I'm probably not going to go down that way because the path gets really super narrow. And I don't want to rub up against all those tall weeds, and maybe we'll take a little walk, a little quick walk. Looks like it just goes into an open field. So we're not going to go that way. However, there's something on the ground here. It almost looks like a headstone. Let's see what this is. Trying to get my gimbal to cooperate here. Okay, I'm going to lock the gimbal in place. And in case you can't read it, I'm going to. This site is a former landfill over which a protective barrier has been placed to prevent possible exposure to the public. For further information, see marker number 1 located north of the detention pond catch basin. Interesting. Okay, like I said, let's turn back around. Let's go over that small brick platform and see what that's all about. I don't know what this is, but we will walk down here by the river. Wow, interesting. Since it's not muddy, we can walk down this way. Bet you any money. These are probably deer tracks right here. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is probably an offshoot of the Rouge River, or it is the Rouge River itself. Let's go back to that bridge. I just had to walk across it, didn't I? Well, you didn't expect me to leave here without doing so, did you? Everybody have a great 4th of July. Thanks for watching Kelly's Wild Adventures. Have a great day.